everybody, it's Josh with Lifetime Exteriors, and today we're in front of Pelican Harbor in Bolingbrook. It's a beautiful day to be at the pool, but we've got work to do, so let's go fly over and take a look at our latest project. Thanks so much for flying over. Today we're doing the roof. There used to be this ugly green color on the roof and the owner wanted to do something different. So he decided to go with the Owens Corning True Definition Duration shingles in the onyx black color. Now tomorrow we're going to be installing all new siding. We're going to be installing Vortex screen in the Savannah blue color. It's going to be a really nice contrast between the light blue siding and then the dark black roof. Then after that, we're going to top it off with replacing the gutter system that you see. It is actually called a Omni gutter system. And this is a specialized gutter system that is actually incorporated right into the fascia. I want to thank you so much for joining us. This is Josh Ingalls with Lifetime Exteriors, and I'll see you on the next video.